Samsung QM65R review. Real 4K signage results that actually run 24/7. Last Tuesday, I walked into my own store at 6 a.m. and the main menu board was still frozen on yesterday's lunch special. Again! I literally stood there with a coffee in my hand wondering why I keep paying for screens that can't survive a real workday. Type same below if your signage has ever ghosted you on a busy morning. That tight chest feeling when customers are waiting and your screen decides to nap? Brutal. I was one more blackout away from going back to printed posters. But stay with me for 30 more seconds because I've finally found something that actually runs 24/7 without throwing a tantrum or burning an image of my logo into itself.
Then the Samsung QM65R showed up. I'm not exaggerating. My installer hung it, plugged it in, connected Wi-Fi, and we were pushing 4K promos from my phone in under 10 minutes. That night at 2 a.m., I changed the breakfast menu from bed, and it updated instantly. No PC, no media player, no extra boxes. The 500-nit non-glare panel laughs at our overhead LEDs. Text stays razor-sharp from 3 feet away, and the colors are so punchy that customers literally stop and stare. I had a cafe owner almost miss his supplier call because he was hypnotized by how good his new pastry looked in 4K. The built-in MagicINFO player means I schedule weeks of content in one sitting. And because it's actually rated 24/7 with a real 3-year commercial warranty, I finally sleep knowing tomorrow morning the screen will still be awake when I am.
AV systems engineer Mike Torres said it best. I stopped recommending consumer TVs the day I hung my first QM65R. 0 callbacks in 2 years. A 2023 flat panel HD report showed Samsung commercial panels have less than 0.8% failure rate in 24/7 deployments. Real talk from @CoffeeBeanBen on Twitter last month. My 2 QM65R screens have been running 18 hours a day for 14 months. Still perfect. My old Pro TV lasted 11 months before burn-in. I'll be honest, when I saw the price, I almost choked, but then I did the math. No external player, $600 saved, no lamp or panel replacements, no emergency service calls at 2 a.m., and my content actually looks expensive instead of cheap. The moment I saw my branding in real 4K instead of stretched 1080p, the price stopped mattering. This is why thousands of stores, lobbies, and restaurants won't shut up about it right now. Tell me in the comments, are you still scared of the price or scared of another dead screen on a Saturday rush? Imagine walking in every single morning for the next 3 years and your signage just works. No babysitting, no burn-in, no apologies to customers. That's been my life since the Samsung QM65R went up. Join the thousands of owners who finally stopped stressing about their screens. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Just click, check the current price, see if it's for you. No pressure at all. If it is, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you in the comments either way.